Alright then, I guess it's your lucky day. Real brakes. You see what's up. 14s, 14, two screws, this rubber to mess around with the adjuster for the boots or the shoes. Alright, let's get it. Alright then, you see that gap? You put your pry bar there so you can push the piston back all the way like that. Alright, I'm gonna remove these 14s. One at the bottom too. That should be it. Same length. Caliper. Come out. Put it to the side. Gucci. Remember the two screws on here. Alright. Remember the two 14s in the back for the bracket. It's one. The other one over here. Same length. Bracket come out. Remove the rotor. We're gonna need that rubber though, remember? Just poke it. This one you're gonna put on the new rotor. Okay, this rotor also comes with grease. Spray it, wipe it. Remember those holes for the screws? They gotta match with these holes. Okay? Spray this side too because it has grease. All right. Wipe it. Should be good. Put the screws back. I did that one already. You still have the brake pad in there. Just slide it out. Okay. This we're gonna spray some brake cleaner and brush it. You can still reuse it. It's okay. It's just debris from the brakes. This is how it looks, the old one. Almost metal to metal. This spray. Brush it. Look better, right? Yeah, you just need to brush it. If it's broken or something, just replace it. This guy's sliders. If it doesn't go in and out easily, pull it out, wipe it, grease it, put it back. I'm gonna grease this. Gucci. Just gonna put it back. Tight it, snag it, 14 millimeter. Tight it good. I remember the rubber, put it in there. Pretty much. This one with the clip that is gonna let you know when you need to replace the brake pad. It's gonna go inside. This one outside with the grooves, whatever. Gucci. It's okay if you put some grease out, just like that. Mount the caliper. Put the bolts back. 14 millimeter. Tight it, snag it. That's good. With Gucci. That's pretty much it with this baby. You're done. Right, I'm gonna come here, driver's side, step on the brake. It's gonna be soft. The first step, first push, that's soft. Start getting harder. That's it. And that's because in the beginning you push the pistons all the way back, and now they all the way crushing the brake pads against the rotors. Okay, now we're gonna go to the engine bay. Open the hood. This is how you open the hood. Here's the latch right in the middle. Push it to the left. Lift it. You don't need to hold it. You have two pistons. Now here, I suggest you to open this. Remove the cap before you push the pistons because you don't want to build pressure and all of that. It's easier to push the piston when you remove the cap of the brake fluid reservoir. Now, if you see, that's the mark. It says max. So the brake fluid is all the way to the max. The minimum is down there. You see it. Down there, there's a minimum sign. Okay. But the brake fluid is over here to the max, as you can see. Right? You don't need to top it off. But if you need to top it off, you need that type of brake fluid, that 3 or 4. Okay. Put the cap back. That's it. Road tested. This is how it looks. How it looks like the brake fluid, that 3. There's also that 5, that 4, that 5, but you don't need that 5. You need that 3. Now I just road tested and that'll be it. Alright, thank you for watching. I like your boy Axtuo Boom. Click it now. You know where to find me. It's me. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo Boom. Yeah.